From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening and a happy Monday. I'm student meteorologist Kaitlyn here with your Monday evening forecast. Taking a live look out at Beaver Stadium, we are seeing some fairly overcast skies, and that is what will be in store for much of the day, for the rest of the day today and for the day tomorrow. But taking a look at our current temperatures, we are sitting at about 37 degrees, slightly above the freezing mark. If you've been outside today, it definitely feels more like winter, and that is due to the fact that we do have some winter coming in later on in the forecast. Like I said, it's cold today and it will be cold throughout the rest of the week. We even have some snow possible tomorrow, and by the end of the week, we will really be getting a full taste of winter heading into Thanksgiving week and leading up to the month of December. But first, we'll take a look at our temperatures and our dew points. Right now in State College, we're sitting at about 37 degrees with a dew point of 21 degrees. A temperature and a dew point can show us essentially how saturated the air might be in a given location, and considering that these two numbers are fairly far apart, it means that the air is fairly dry in central Pennsylvania right now. Taking a look at the rest of the Commonwealth, we are seeing roughly the same temperatures throughout high 30s, low 40s. We are peaking up into 47 in Philadelphia, but much of the same picture across much of the Commonwealth. Temperatures and dew points fairly far apart, indicating cooler, drier air. We can throw in our wind particles, so you can actually see we are getting some northwesterly flow, bringing that cold, dry air in from Canada. Taking a look out at much of the country, this is the story for much of the lower 48. We are in the teens up in Bismarck, North Dakota, and in much of the west we are seeing some cooler temperatures, and this is actually going to move its way to the east coast later on in the week. However, taking a look at our future weather, we are seeing a possibility for some snow tomorrow afternoon. It should move into our Johnstown, southwestern Pennsylvania area tomorrow afternoon, and by tomorrow night we will be in State College. We will get some snow, but we are expecting it to change over to some rain and some mixed precipitation around 9:30 p.m. And moving out to Wednesday, we are seeing rain in much of the Commonwealth. And that snow should move out by Wednesday, but we are getting a little bit of wind off of the lake, so we might see some lake effect snow up in the Erie and Bradford area. Taking a look at the rest of the country, like I did say, that cooler air mass will move its way to the east coast. We can see that in our 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. The eastern portion of the United States is expected to be much below average later on in the week. However, taking a look at tonight, we're expecting a low of 27 degrees and partly cloudy skies with some calm winds, especially before that snow moves in tomorrow. However, we will be soaring up to 39 degrees. So like I said, we could get some mixed precipitation in the afternoon. So I definitely keep an eye on that and stay weather aware if you're traveling at all tomorrow afternoon. And taking a look at our 7-day, we saw a little bit of sun today. However, tomorrow we will be seeing some afternoon snow and maybe even some mixed precipitation heading into Wednesday. We might see a few residual flakes on Thursday, but we are expecting some sunnier skies for much of the weekend. With your evening CNET forecast, I'm student meteorologist Kaitlyn. Have a great night.